It is hot outside, and when it's hot for us, it's hot for our pets too. Here are some tips for how to keep your pets safe and cool in the heat. Always supervise your pets when they are outside, and make sure they have access to fresh water and some shade or shelter so they can get out of the sun. If you exercise your pet, try to go early in the morning before it gets too hot. And never ever leave your pets alone in the car. Even if the windows were cracked and the AC is on, it gets too hot in vehicles for pets to stay in there. So never leave your pets in the car. You can also provide cooling items at home or outside, like pools and cooling pads and vests. And if you have dogs, try making pupsicles. Just like humans, pets can get heat stroke too, which is dangerous. Here are some of the signs of heat stroke to watch for in your pet. Excessive panting, excessive drooling, difficulty panting, vomiting, diarrhea, and weakness. If you suspect heat stroke in your pet, bring your pet inside and offer them some cool but not cold water. You can also try to cover them with a lukewarm towel, but not a cold towel. You want to gradually cool your pet down. And if none of those things help, definitely call your vet right away. Have fun and stay safe this summer.